Click Search. Input TOY48 and select ID 872 to enter the key data page. Click Photograph, place your key in the camera view and take a photo, or select a photo from your gallery. Then align the key's edge with the red guide line. Click Select Location. Align the key with the arrow and decode the bidding depth code. Then click Finish. Please fix a new key blank by tip alignment on the side B shown in the figure. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings. Select 2.0 mm cutter to cut this key. Then click Cut to start cutting. After cutting is done, please take out the key blank and clean the debris, otherwise it will have influence on the accuracy. Fix the other side of key blank by tip alignment on the side B shown in the figure. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings. Then click Cut to start cutting. All cutting is done, please clean the shavings. And test the new key. Works well.